Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a Dailymotion video. So first of all, go to the dailymotion.com and log into your account. To log in your account, simply click on login button in top right corner. Enter your email and password that you have registered with your Dailymotion account. After entering the password, simply click on login button. Now go to your profile icon and click on studio button. Here is the all videos that you have uploaded on your account. Simply click on three dot next to a video and click on delete button. Simply once again you need to verify, are you sure you want to delete it permanently? Yes, delete it. Your video has been deleted and removed from your account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye and take care. See you in the next video.